Ladies and gentlemen, some breaking news which is just coming in. I have to go to that. The CBI has traced Disha Salian's partner Rohan Rai. Remember SSR case, Disha Salian case. CBI has traced Rohan Rai, who knows what happened on the 8th of June. Ladies and gentlemen, this is precisely the reason why the investigation into the Sushant Singh Rajput case is at a very, very crucial juncture right now. I think I'm going to be joined by Shravan Sen in just some time. Is Shravan on with us right now? Do we have Shravan live with us on the breaking news story? The investigation into the SSR case, viewers, is at a very crucial stage. No, the case is not being closed. Some fake news media has been reporting it. But remember, the CBI itself put out a statement today. Here is where the case stands, why it's wide open, and then our third debate.
From the streets of Patna to the ghats of Varanasi, it's a tipping point in the fight for justice. Sushant's family, friends and fans are unwilling to give up. Despite repeated attempts by certain sections to say it's over, no foul play has been found. Their fake news has been smashed to smithereens by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Central Bureau of Investigation is all set to file a closure report. Now, this entire speculative report has now been dismissed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, pointing out that the investigation is still underway. In fact, we have been given to understand that in the Disha Salian case, the Central Bureau of Investigation chased down Rohan Rai in the last few days, and the investigation is very much underway.
It's not over because the CBI is closely looking at the Disha case link. They even visited Rohan Rai's Malad flat. The guard of the building claims 4 to 6 investigators were present.
हम लोग बोले हाँ वो लोग ये नहीं बोले हमको 1202 में जाना है हाँ चले
अब 1202 में रोहन ही रहता है
हाँ उसके इतना तो मालूम है
चाबी था उनके पास
नहीं ये
तुम्हें कैसे मालूम वो सीबीआई वाले थे ना
नहीं वो तो तभी तो सीबीआई वाले ही तो थे
सीबीआई वाले थे ना
और कितने घंटे रुके मतलब 10 बजे आए और
हाँ
वो गाड़ी कौन सी थी आधा घंटा में
It's not over because Dr. Subramanian Swamy, who's been following the case, has met Dr. Sudhir Gupta, whose controversial report is under cloud. Dr. Swamy is moving through official process for a more thorough evaluation by the Ministry's Medical Board of the post-mortem of Sushant done by the Cooper Hospital based on the 7 shortcomings of the post-mortem that has also been pointed out by the AIIMS Board. So when evidence could be re-examined, when Rohan Rai has been tracked, and when 7 shortcomings have been spotted in the post-mortem by AIIMS itself, who's in a tearing hurry to close the Sushant investigation? Let's debate.
Shravan has the latest breaking news on this. Shravan, through the whole day, there have been people who just keep saying that the SSR case has been closed. We've seen this happen for 10 days. First of all, there were the leaks of Sudhir Gupta, then that was countered, then Parambir Singh is very, very eager to close the case somehow for obvious reasons. You don't need to say much about Parambir anymore. But there is a whole lobby which is jumping every 2 days saying close the case, close the case. What is the reality? The CBI put out a statement today. What's actually happening on the ground?
Well, in fact, Audab, this is very uncharacteristic of the CBI to come up with this statement, but they were left with no other option because there was the speculative reports that were doing the round that there's a closure report that's been filed. But as far as the agency is concerned, there are 8 levels that have to cross. Right now, there are 2 important breaking news that I have. One, as far as Disha Salian's case is concerned, Rohan Rai, this man has finally been tracked down by the Central Bureau of Investigation in Mumbai exactly 4 days ago. The second important point here is that as far as Disha Salian's friends are concerned, who were present in the party, they too have now been examined by the CBI, and in the coming few days, on the 13th night, what really transpired, CBI is all set to now question the BJP Mumbai secretary, who's actually made certain revelations, and that's the reason why he's now been called in for questioning. That is going to happen sometime next week. So all this put together, it is amply clear that the investigation is still underway and no...
Where did this rumor come from, Shravan, that the case has been closed? Who's Who's behind this fake news?
there is a section in New Delhi right now. They are in a tearing hurry to shut down this entire case. First, we've heard that the suicide angle came into the picture. They've been relying on one particular report, which the CBI at the end of the day said that report is just in the nature of opinions. It does not change this entire investigation, and the investigation will continue. Despite that, we have seen some sort of reports that have been doing the rounds and saying that closure report would be filed. Now, that is a basic, they do not have a basic understanding of how investigation is essentially done, and that's the reason why this sort of speculative report has been done.
Okay. Shravan, thanks very much. Very reassuring for SSR fans. Who's in a hurry, Swapnil, to close the case? Swapnil and Rahul can begin the debate. Who's in a hurry? Some people are in a desperate hurry. Who are they? And what are their motivations, Swapnil?
Arnab, I am surprised. Initially I thought that I think a couple of weeks ago when there was this news that, the suicide theory has been peddled and the CBI is saying that, it's suicide. Then suddenly, there was a statement by the CBI that, no all aspects are being looked at. So I just dismissed it off as something which, usually happens during the course of the day when these kind of big things are there at play. The second time when the 302 started doing the rounds, that is the time Sudhir Gupta came out and leaked that particular thing, and then the thing gained momentum.
And suddenly also what happened was, Swapnil, suddenly, if you notice, Smita, a section of the media also just did a U-turn on it.
Exactly.
Same Hindi channels and English channels which were trying to get on the story, and I always felt that many Hindi channels were not sincere because they were only looking at it not in terms of a cause but in terms of ratings. They immediately pulled back. Then suddenly the same English channel, there is another English channel I don't want to name, which was trying to champion the cause, started saying that the people who are fighting for SSR is wrong. Then Parambir Singh did a press conference. Then Sudhir Gupta came out with his leak. Then that was denied. Then they were very frustrated. And then when they were very frustrated, then they put out some case on Republic thinking that, we file a legal case on Republic, it's going to trouble them, they'll pull back, we're not pushing back. But what is coming across, Smita? What are SSR fans not seeing this clearly for what it is? That one group is feels that, okay, if we team up with a group of the media, if a section of the media is with us, then we can manage the closure of the case. So I think there are deals being struck in the background. What do you think, Smita?
Absolutely, Arnab. Because we have seen it since over the past 4 months, how, our voices are, being tried to sabotage and suppress, over the period. People attacked you, people attacked me, people are also attacking their family. There is so much of, paid PR going around, which are basically trying to play all the positive political game in this case, because they just want this only, that this case also should be like the other cases and should just go in cold box, actually.
Please remember,
and Reza, I'm sure the Arnab is also going to say that Arnab has, that Mumbai Police has done fantastic job. And on the top of it, who has taken the political advantage of this particular case is something it is very much evident now. Now, what is important to understand that...
No, 1 minute. What did you say? I'm sorry, before you jump on Chetan.
Before you jump,
Chetan, what did you say in the first part? 1 minute. What did you say in the first part? What did you say in the first part?
Investigated each and every
I didn't ask, hearing me? Hearing my question, what did you say in the first part?
Mumbai Police has done fantastic job.
Wow. So Mumbai Police got Deepika.
Job, and I'm sure you would also going to appreciate
Sanju is debating with you, Sanju.
The kind of work the Parambir Singh team has done on ground. Therefore, having said this, now agencies
Sanju.
like CBI, ED and all these esteemed agencies, they were cooperated very well by Mumbai Police. Now what is left in this case is something we need to understand, that if you do not trust the agencies, then whom are you going to trust on?
Okay, thank you, Sanju and Rahul Ishwar. Sanju and Rahul Ishwar are on the debate. Sanju first, Rahul Ishwar after that.
End somewhere, at least in our lifetime it should end, and I'm absolutely sure before November 10th.
Why are you in a hurry? When it will end, it will end. No, why? No, 1 second. Rahul, listen to me. I want to tell you one thing. Rahul, a minute. Before Sanju, you come in, I want to make a 30-second intervention, please, if you allow me. Sanju, can I allow a 30-second intervention? I just want to say this, that when it is meant to end, it will end. You have no business in the matter. Secondly, there is a lot of things we are going to see. Lot of film personalities will come in the narcotics case. You know what happened, no? You were celebrating 2 days back that film industry showed its strength. Today they started fighting. The Sinta fought with Ajay Devgan, fought with Akshay Kumar fought with Shah Rukh fought with Karan Johar. They all fought. There are mails doing the rounds between law firms, and the whole case has got postponed by a week because now they are saying, no. Now they are saying, apparently they are saying, Arey, why? The unity of Bollywood lasted 48 hours. They've all fought. The case was supposed to come tomorrow in court. It's not coming. They're all fighting. Their lawyers are fighting. They are fighting over. And by the way, Bollywood is in for a lot of excitement. In 2-3 weeks, you see what happens.
An average Indian respects Bollywood and respect Republic. For us, you are all eminent people who
Please
are caught
don't
in a
take
tug of war.
Republic and Bollywood name in the same breath. Don't you dare take Bollywood and Republic name in the same breath. Don't. The case is not over. Why do they want to close the case? Sanju.
Please ask him to keep
Sanju, why are they in a...
Rahul Ishwar, enough now. We heard you.
Amitabh Bachchan and Bollywood.
Arnab, you will have to ask this man to shut up, please.
I've been asking for about 11 years. Yeah, continue.
Why?
Okay. Rahul Ishwar is the most confused, attention-seeking person, a turncoat who is always on the wrong side of the fence and on the wrong side of a given issue. So I am not surprised that he is again on the wrong side of this Sushant Singh Rajput, a natural death case. One of the panelists said that Mumbai police has done a stellar job. Just tell me, after investigating the case for 65 days, you could not even come to a specific conclusion after having 80% of the viscera. The AIMS was left with only 20% of the viscera. AIMS could not conduct a second forensic or a second autopsy. I want to ask the Mumbai police, Rohan Rai, Disha Salian's fiance, wanted her funeral on June 9th. A day after her death, whereas her post-mortem was eventually conducted on June 11th. What was the need for such a big hurry?
Manaswi.
Nitesh Rane, BJP chief, has said that there is a link between Sushant Singh Rajput and Disha Salian's death.
Since 19th August 2020, the case is with CBI.
Why did this
Sanju, now
inquest
answer me
take
one
55
thing.
days?
You are so much
Please tell me,
promoting
why
that
was there no
CBI is
room?
going to do a
Why was
stellar
there no
job.
time
Give me
mentioned
one simple answer.
in the
Since
post-mortem report?
2014,
There are
the
many
CBI
lapses
is
in the
investigating
Cooper
Jia Khan's
hospital
case.
autopsy.
Till date, they have
Did
not filed a
Mumbai
closure
police
report.
pull up the
Sanju
Cooper
ji, how are
hospital
you very
authorities?
confident the CBI is
Did
going to
Mumbai
file a
police
closure
question
report which is going to be
Rohan Rai?
around
Did Mumbai police
302?
question
Sanju ji, now listen. Sanju ji, now listen. Sanju ji, we have heard you. Sanju ji, we have heard you. Now listen. Please patiently listen. CBI took over the case from the Mumbai police on 19 August. Till date, CBI could not reach to a conclusion. And on the contrary, the closure ratio of CBI is less than 5%. Sanju ji,
becomes a witness on record. This entire case could turn on its head 180 degrees.
Okay, here's a point.
You are acting in a fantasy world. Sanju ji, you need to understand one thing. 19 August, the CBI took over the case. Till date, they could not find a conclusive part. And if you are so confident about CBI, Sanju ji, please listen. Sanju ji, I did not interrupt when you were speaking.
But tell me why, when the Disha Salian, Smita back on the debate. Smita, please tell Rahul Ishwar and you debate. I'm just thinking, just when the Disha Salian case is opening up, why are they freaking out? I always suspected there's something there. The baby penguin connection goes back to Disha Salian. Why are they freaking out just when the real story is going to come out? Just when the real story of Bollywood and drugs is going to come out, why are they freaking out?
Nobody has right to sabotage any such murder case. Every person who's related to the people who have been killed has a right to the closure and has a right to know what actually happened to their dear ones. And it's my humble request to all of you that please don't try to suppress and sabotage and gag the voices which are standing for their dear and near ones in both the cases, in Disha's case or in Sushant's case. We all have, all the SSRians, their family and their friends have right to know what actually happened.
The important
and
thing.
That's why we all have
And
been
Smitaji,
so
I
anxious.
say
The important thing, viewers, and one more thing, Rahul, I'm telling you something today. Rahul, listen to me. You are all celebrating, no, last 8-9 days.
You're saying yes, Rahul.
1 minute,
You're actually saying yes.
Smita, one point I want to tell Rahul. You people, there is a coward in Bollywood, okay, who says, bhai, you know, bhai says, मैं इशारों से बात करता हूँ, चैनल बंद हो जाएगा, चैनल बंद करवा देंगे. This fake, cowardly, elderly bhai, who's now a senior citizen, he does not dare to take my name. He's going around to politicians nowadays saying, can you help me? Can you help me with Republic? Can you do something on Republic? Can you file a case? You know, they've attacked me. And I want to tell you, oh, they say, oh, we will all go together. Last 10 days, Sanju and Smita, last 10 days, I was told they're only talking among each other who is going to go against Republic to court. Then they said, okay, all of us will come together and we'll show our unity. And Sanjay Nirupam, like a fool, tweeted, great unity. 2 days, unity fell. Case destroyed in court. Now they say, no, we don't want to go against Republic because maybe you'll expose us a little bit more. Of course I will. I'm telling you your future. 1 week from now, I want to know whether Rahul Ishwar will dare to support Bollywood when the truth starts coming out about the drugs of Bollywood.
We all know truth, and please remember.
1 month from now, you and I will meet. You and I will meet. So celebrate till then. Celebrate.
Please reserve your comments because you will again make a fool out of yourself.
Yes.
Don't do all this, Rahul Ishwar. Don't do all this. It is my humble
Don't make a
request.
fool of yourself.
After November 10th, CBI is going to come with a suicide report after November 10th.
Don't make a fool of yourself.
Please remember,
Let me ask
CBI is going to come with a suicide report after
did you meet
November
the
10th. Mark my
CBI?
words.
Did you meet
Read my
them?
lips.
Did you
Mark
face
my-
them?
mark
Did you
my
discuss
words.
the case with them?
Talk about AIDS
Rahul,
report.
you
Talk about
haven't.
AIDS
You
report.
haven't. So don't
You are
comment.
getting AIDS
Don't
report.
comment.
It is a
I'm
matter.
requesting
What
you
happened?
again and again. Don't comment on CBI's actions, etc.
Come out with a suicide report. Then you will
Ladies
He
and
doesn't listen.
gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I want to look into the future and say one thing. Some people in Bollywood feel the drugs issue is over. I'm saying it has only started. You have no idea. You think it's limited to Deepika? You think it's limited to Deepika and that what Rakul Preet or whatever that is? You will see the names Bollywood. So till then you have shown your unity for 2 days. You think you can take me on? No, you can't. You think you can close down this channel? No, you can't. And to the Dubai wala bhai who wants to speak in ishara to me when you don't have a spine which requires vertebra, you need a vertebral bone. है ना? जब आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी नहीं हो सकती और टेढ़ी हो चुकी है तो मेरे बारे में बात मत कीजिए. Viewers, lot more exposures on SSR and the drugs case. And the only channel that will bring you the truth is the Republic Media Network. See you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.